Alright, in this video we're going to be changing the rear brake pads and rotors on this BMW 328i 2012 model. First you're going to want to get one of these impact drivers and the correct Allen key bit, and then remove that screw holding the rotor on. Remove that retaining clip that aligns the brake caliper. Remove these two little dust caps that are on the back of the brake caliper. Give the brake caliper a scrub and get some brake dust off. Spray it down with the blower, and then you can use the correct size Allen bit to remove these two slide pins that hold the brake caliper on. When you've done that, remove the slide pins, remove the brake pad, and you can see that these brake pads are seriously worn down. You can use anything to compress this piston back in. You can use the correct tool, or you can use one of these little pliers here. From there, give the brake caliper a good clean, scrub it down, and then spray it with some brake cleaner and then put it to the side. From there, you're going to want to grab a 16mm socket and then remove the brake caliper mounting bracket from the actual hub. And now what you're going to want to do is clean the brake caliper mounting bracket extremely well. As you can see, it's very dusty. From here, once you've done this, you're going to want to remove this rotor. The hub will build up a bit near where you put the rotor over, so give that a clean and then give it a whack with a rubber mallet and you can remove it. Clean everything behind the hub just to make sure that you don't get any weird sounds when you put the new rotor on. When you put the new rotor on, make sure to give it a wipe down and spray with brake clean, and then you can reinstall the screw to hold the brake rotor on. From there, reinstall the brake caliper mounting bracket. There's the two bolts that hold it on, tighten them down. When you've done that, you're going to want to reinstall that brake pad to the actual brake caliper. It slides into the piston, and then reinstall the brake pad onto the other side. Clean the slide pins and then re-grease. Once you've done that, put it back into the brake caliper and then tighten it down. Make sure to tighten it a few threads. You don't want to cross thread these slide pins because it really does cause issues later in terms of uneven brake pad wear and whatnot. From there, when you've tightened everything down, what you're going to want to do is chuck those dust caps back on and reinstall that aligner. Once you've done that, you're going to want to reset the inside of the car's warning, as the brake wear sensor will be telling you to reset it. So check out my other videos to do that.